diegetic! I'm the fairy of sound effects.
Here today, we're on the Oprah show.
I love you, Oprah! You're my hero!
Here on the Oprah show, and here's that special lady, Oprah!
I love you, Oprah!
Well, here today on the Oprah Show, we have a special guest, Jake the Fat Fairy!
Thank you, Oprah. I'm very happy to be here.
Are you a minibus?
That's diegetic.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because when I snap my left hand, it makes the diegetic noise.
What's a diegetic noise?
It's a sound you can hear.
I see. What about your right hand?
It makes non-diegetic sounds, like this.
I didn't hear anything.
See, you didn't hear it, but your home audience did. Non-diegetic sound is purely for the audience's reaction.
Have a minivan!
No thanks, I have a strange phobia of things with sliding doors.
I see. Well, that's all the time we have today. Good night, all!
It's midday.
What was that?
Well, hello, Billy, now you know about sound effects.
My name's Declan.
Oh,